កាលពីរសៀលថ្ងៃទី20ខែមករាឆ្នាំ2026សារព័ត៌មានជប៉ុន Nikkei Asia បានចុះផ្សាយបន្ថែមទៀតនៅព័ត៌មានជាវីដេអូអំពីសកម្មភាពរបស់យោធាថៃដែលបានដាក់កុងតឺន័រនិងរាយបន្លាលោះក្នុងទឹកដីកម្ពុជានិងផ្ទះសម្បែងដែលត្រូវបានបំផ្លិចបំផ្លាញដោយសពាវុធធនធ្ងន់របស់ថៃកំឡុងពេលដែលសង្គ្រាមឈ្លានពានមកលើទឹកដីកម្ពុជាសូមទស្សនាវីដេអូទាំងស្រុងខាងក្រោមនេះ
In Cambodia's western provinces of Banteay Meanchey and Odar Meanchey, the aftermath of last year's border fighting with Thailand is still visible. Cratered roads, damaged homes, and new barricades now mark areas Cambodia says lie deep inside its territory, claims that Thailand rejects.
I'm standing on National Road number 58 in Cambodia. This road normally leads up to Poi Phet, the town along the Thai-Cambodian border. But unfortunately, as a result of the conflict that has erupted in July and then in December, that's not possible because behind me you will see a row of lime green containers. These containers are what the Thais have barricaded the road with and prevent people moving into that area.
In Chukche village, residents say they have been unable to enter their homes since a ceasefire was declared in December.
តែឥឡូវនេះវាពាត់យកអស់ហើយវាពាត់យកអស់លេងរឿងសុំទៅថ្ងៃនេះមានសុំទៅចូលឆ្អឹងម៉ែឆ្អឹងអីវាអត់ឲ្យចូលទេឥឡូវនេះម្នាក់ណាដែលប្រជាពលរដ្ឋយើងមកយកអីវ៉ាន់ទៅផ្ទះវាមកសួរថាមកធ្វើស្អីទៀតគាត់ថានេះក្រៅរបងនេះក្រៅរបងនេះយើងចូលមកយកអីវ៉ាន់ក៏វាថាឲ្យយើងទៀត
Bangkok defends the deployment of Thai troops and the building of the barricades along select spots of the border to demarcate its claims to the disputed land. In Phnom Penh, Cambodian officials argue the measures contradict the terms of the December ceasefire and warn the situation remains unstable while sovereignty claims go unresolved.
So even if you look at the line and the claim Thai line, the occupation go well inside Cambodia. This is a matter of international concern because it's related to sovereignty, to territorial integrity, and to international agreement. We have agreement on that.
Cambodia says more than 10 similar locations exist along the border, but Thai officials dispute that assessment. On the ground, displaced villagers say they remain unable to verify what has happened to their homes.
អត់បានចូលបានសម្បីតែយើងចង់អឺតមើលផ្ទះសម្បែងយើងចង់ឃើញថាទីលំនៅដែលយើងធ្លាប់រស់នៅហ្នឹងវាមិននៅពេលដែលយើងនាំគ្នាចាក់ចេញពីភូមិជោគជ័យហ្នឹងតែគឺពួកគាត់ដាក់កុងតឺន័រមកគឺមើលឃើញសម្បីតាអឺតក៏វាមិនឲ្យអឺតដែរគឺវាអត់ឲ្យទៅចិត្តហ្នឹងហើយវាដាក់ខ្ពស់ដាក់មើលអត់ឃើញ
យើងក៏មិននឹកស្មានដល់តាតនកាលដែរកើតរឿងហ្នឹងដែរការតំណែងនងពីដើមមកវាមានល្អនឹងគ្នាណាប្រជាពលរដ្ឋចេញចូលទៅស្រ័យផលដកដោះគ្នាដល់តំណកាលតាំងពីថ្ងៃទី12ខែ8ណា12ខែ8ខែ2025ណាអញ្ចឹងក៏មានការពាត់របងលុះហ្នឹងមានបញ្ហាហ្នឹងទៅគឺអញ្ចឹងតែរឿងអក្រក់នឹងគ្នាខាងពីថៃហ្នឹងគាត់បាទ
Regional diplomats say the current ceasefire remains fragile, with these unresolved sovereignty claims leaving the truce on shaky ground. Until negotiations resume under the bilateral Joint Boundary Commission, they warn the current calm may only be temporary.